Hey guys, we have a new song. Well, it's new to you, and it's called Yellowbird. Now, this is a song that you're not going to be singing, but we're going to be listening to because we're going to be playing along with it. So I'm going to go ahead and start it, and you guys can. Ooh, it might help if I can actually get this all set up. Alright, so this song actually comes from the country of Haiti, which is half of a little island. It's not even a full little island, it's just half of a little island.
It shares with
Dominican Republic.
Yeah.
Yeah. And so you're just singing about a yellow bird, and I wish I had a picture of that yellow bird. I found it, but it actually, yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Now she's messing up my stuff. Okay, so, yes, but it actually looks like the color of a banana, and so it's got these really dark parts on it. So it could look like a banana. So it's cool. But anyway, so we have a counter melody that we are going to be playing on the recorder. So I'm going to bring that up if I can find it. Oh, okay. So just a reminder, this is our B fingering. Okay, so let's go ahead and just practice our B fingering with a few rhythms, okay?
You play, then I'll
You'll be the echo? Okay. All right, so those of you at home are going to be echoing Mrs. Freeze. So that last one was a whole note, which is all we're going to be playing. That's the only rhythm we have for this counter melody is just whole notes. So you need to be thinking in your mind, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 for every single one. Okay, so here is the counter melody that we will be playing. We have a dot dot do it again, a repeat sign, so that tells us to go back to the beginning of this line, and we'll play it a second time. Then we jump down to the bottom line. Okay, so let's go ahead and use our fingerings and just sing it. Okay, so we already heard our B, and our A is, and our G is. So that sounds a lot like mi, re, do, hot cross buns. So many good songs.
I know.
Okay, ready? We're gonna sing it while we do our fingering. Here we go. B, B, A, G. Back to B. B, B, A, G. Down the bottom line. A, B, back to A. A, B, A, G. All right, now we're gonna play it, okay? 1, 2, ready, play. So I know it sounds really simple right now, but when we play it with the song going, it sounds really cool. All right, so I'm gonna get the music started. Let's just have our notes up there so we get familiar with reading the notes from the staff. I'm gonna erase that. Really pretty.
Yeah.
All right. Nice job, my friends. We will put this on Schoology so you can practice playing along. Hope you have a good day. Bye.